Hi boys and girls, Detective Dami here today. You know, some days I'm not always sure about something I need to solve as a detective. Sometimes things just happen. But I thought it might be fun to start the day together to celebrate my dog Brodie's birthday. So in honor of his birthday, I'm going to give him 7 dog biscuits. You excited, Brodie? Give me a high five. High five, Brodie. All right. So I'm going to give Brodie 7 biscuits in honor of his birthday. Uh-oh, Brodie, you need to wait. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Happy birthday, Brodie. So friends, I am so glad you're here today. Not only to celebrate Brodie's birthday, but now Detective Dami has a problem to solve. So you were here earlier when I gave Brodie 7 dog bones for his 7 years of being alive. So we have a problem to solve. After I gave Brodie the 7 bones for his 7th birthday, I left them outside for a little while. And I left Brodie tied up in the yard. But then I came back and look, some of the bones were missing. And this was all that is left. Boys and girls, count and see if you can tell me how many bones are left. You got it right. 1, 2, 3, 4. Only 4 bones were left. So, friends, we have a mystery to solve. So I gave Brodie 7 bones. And then I looked out, and do you know what I saw him doing? Brodie, he was making holes in the yard and burying the bones. I know. So I took the bones back. But guess what? They weren't all there. There were only 1, 2, 3, 4 bones. So the mystery that we have to solve is, how many bones, Brodie, did you bury in the yard? You can help me figure it out. Do you remember last week when Miss Purdon talked to you about subtraction and there were subtraction lessons on the Padlet? Well, I got the idea from Miss Purdon to get out my blue pocket chart, and we're going to talk about subtraction, which is also take away, or we're going to use the symbol minus. So these red circles represent Brodie's bones. How many bones did we give Brodie? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That's right. But when I came out, he had buried some in the yard and I only found 1, 2, 3, 4. So how many bones are buried in the yard? Well, we know the 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. We found those. But we didn't find 1, 2, 3. So we started off with 7 bones. I took away 4 of Brodie's bones, and that left us with how many missing? 3. 3 bones were missing. So Brodie buried 3 bones in the yard. So let's think about what we did. We started off with 7 bones. I took the 4 back from Brodie, and he hid 3 of the bones. So if you think about it, we had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 bones, and then I took away 4, and then we were left with 3. So Brodie hid 3 bones in my yard. Now, if we were to put that in a number bond, we'd start with the total number here, which was 7. We started off with 7 bones. I took away 4, and then he buried 3. If you take 7, take away 4, it equals 3. If you take 4 plus 3, it equals 7. That's the great thing about number bonds. They can go either way. Well, boys and girls, thank you so much for solving my mystery today. What did Brodie do with the bones? He buried them in my yard. And I'm going to show you the clips we found of Brodie in action burying the bones.